Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking on 2000 RAV4. It just arrived today and I'm doing bunch of inspection. One of most important ones, you will agree with me, I know you will, is checking engine oil. Now, I'm not only checking how much of the oil we have, right, but also the quality. So let's go and take care of it right now. Now, before I start, there are certain conditions which I must observe. First one is the vehicle needs to be on perfectly leveled ground, right? Otherwise the measurement will be not correct. The second one, the engine has to be shut off and not running for at least 5 minutes. So I pull it out for you and we will see the level, the quantity, right? Here we go. Let me put it in front of you. So if you look down here on the left, is one mark and it says L as a low. Here's another mark, F as a full. I'm not sure if you can see it. The oil is slightly above full to the right of it. So that means this engine oil or this engine is slightly overfilled. And we know the quantity. Now what's about the quality? Is it already old and burnt or is it still fairly new? How does it look? I didn't see any maintenance sticker on the windshield, right? So you use either some clean rag or you can even use your fingers. And I can see that oil is getting brown, right? I just don't know if it went through entire 5,000 miles. My guess, it's somewhere between, right? I will say from my experience that this oil is approximately 3,000–4,000 miles old. So again, I will wipe it clean. Of course, you want to clean yourself, right? The oil doesn't smell bad, right? It doesn't smell as a burnt or something. So I completely clean this dipstick, making sure here is that rubber o-ring, right, for a good seal, and I can put it back in the dipstick tube, and I'm basically finished. And based on what I saw here, right, and lack of any evidence or maintenance sticker, I will probably write in the report that the engine oil is older and it should be replaced soon. However, I will keep going through the car. I'm pretty sure there will be things here which need or they will have higher priority than this engine oil. So thank you for watching and be subscribed. More videos about this RAV4 are coming very soon. See you later.